Well, hello, my people. Look at me. I'm out here getting it done. Yes, it's way overdue. You see this piece lily. It has to be replanted today. This is the task of the day. It's way overdue. And I guess doing this on camera for beginner gardeners. I know old school. I'm old school. We already know sometimes we need to do these things, but life be life and things be getting in the way. And priorities are what they are, but eventually we get to it. So the purpose of replanting, for obvious reasons, is to give the roots, some more room to grow. This also, I'm using potting mix. This is indoor potting mix because I definitely don't want to be dealing with no gnats and insects inside the house. Want to try to keep that to a minimum as much as possible. So I brought the indoor soil. It's got the nutritions that the plant need in it as well. So let's get to it. This should, putting it in a larger pot, adding some additional potting mix should give it a more of a fighting chance to be healthier. In general terms, larger foliage should develop also. Not that this plant needs that particular more benefit, because it has been growing out of the pot, but I have been putting over the years some Miracle Grow plant food in the water. So from time to time, not on any specific schedule, just whenever I really got the urge to do so. But it has done well over the years. Peace lilies, as you know, are more of a sentimental thing for most of us. This is one plant that I did get at the passing of my father, so I've had it over the years and it's done quite well. But the larger pot also helps to prevent the plant from being root bound, and it improves the overall vitality of the plant. Also increases when you add more soil. The more soil you have, it also gives it, enhances the hydration of the plant, because the soil retention is there. The water retention is there from adding the additional soil. So you get a promotion of hydration and nutrition by replanting, using the indoor soil mix, putting it in a larger plant. And that is what I'm doing today. You can see how much larger this pot is. So I'm hoping that I don't put the plant under too much stress. When I put it in the house, I plan to put it in low direct sunlight, just basically near a window, to kind of ease with the stress of transplanting the plant into the larger pot. Just temporarily, I'll do that. Lilies don't generally like too much direct light, so by putting it in the indirect light near a window for maybe a week or so, will give it time to de-stress from what I'm doing here and give it time to adjust to being in this pot. And then I will put it back in its low lit area, and it should be fine. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I hope you're taking care of your indoor plants as well. Sometimes we're outside taking care of plants and we forget about what we got going on inside the house, because being outside is a little bit of an escape or an output for most people, most gardeners. Go outside, get that direct sunlight, and we rejuvenate ourselves by doing that. But don't neglect or don't forget about what you got going on inside as well. These don't require a lot of maintenance. They just a little bit of water here and there. And peace lilies will generally tell you when they are thirsty, because they will start to lay down on you. And most people look at these peace lilies and the leaves laying down. I mean, they could just be laying down on the side of the plant, and you think, oh God, I've unalived my plant. And not true. You go ahead and water it when it looks distressed like that, and by the next morning those leaves are perking up again. So don't be fooled, but yeah, peace lilies can be a little bit dramatic. But they are easy, low maintenance plants to take care of. Right now I'm just kind of detangling the leaves, giving them direction, well, encouraging direction for them to grow straight out the pot again. They got a little bit tangled up. Like I said, I have neglected this. I'm not going to tell you no lie. And every now and then I look over at it and remind myself that I need to also take care of this one. I got this one and several of these in the house, and they all do well. So if you are a person that do not believe that you have a green thumb, try peace lilies. Like I said, low maintenance, and you will not be disappointed. Just remember to water it, and you'll be fine. You'll be fine, and you'll be proud. Okay, guys? I am pretty much done with that. I've got to get another bag of soil because I don't know why I thought one would be enough, but I'm going to top it off with another one. And hopefully you guys had an opportunity to check out the Ace online store and get that 50% off of that one item. I went and got the fish emulsion, the 511, the Alaska brand, and saved $7 in doing so. So yeah, if you guys have a chance, check that out. Check that deal out. I don't know. As long as you don't get anything over $30, you save 50%. But if you do get something over $30, then you can get $15 off of that. So yeah, that's my tip of the day. And I hope you guys really enjoyed your time off, your dinner day, as we now call it, or some of us now call it. And have a good day.